Hello, my name is Kayla Ramirez and I'm in Section 9 of Recreation 310 or Women in Leisure of spring of 2024. I'm currently a third year here at CSU East Bay, and what I like to do in my leisure time is pretty simple things. One of my main things I've been doing is collecting TCG and organizing them into binders. So I have them separated out on the different series that they're from, or the characters that are on the cards, and I also enjoy reading and playing video games. So that's mainly what I do in my leisure time. I would like to say that this mainly stems from a lot of enjoyment of staying inside, and just I love collecting things and organizing things. It's really fun and relaxing for me. Also, in general, I just find games and books really fun. I think it's the aspect of going into like a fantasy space and playing as like a different character or pretending to be a different character while reading a story. Or just in general, like collecting things is just, it's fun. As you can see, I love decorating with different things that I enjoy, so I think it just also has to do with surrounding myself with things that make me really happy. So yeah, I think that's the main reason why I have those leisure activities. It's just comforting and calming, and it's especially fun if it's things that you could connect with friends with. Like, I love playing games with friends mostly, and like if I read something or watch a series or collect something, my friends do as well. So it's something for us to talk about with each other. So the activity that I'm going to be trying for the cross-gender project is soldering. I picked soldering because it is something that I genuinely always wanted to try, but I've never really took the steps to try it. It has always interested me because it for me it seems like a smaller way of welding, which is something I always also want to try. I think the main thing that's been stopping me is I have really shaky hands and I'm quite clumsy. So I'm scared of, if I'm using this hot iron, that I'm gonna burn myself, burn the table, melt the wires that I'm putting together and such. So there's just that nervousness of doing soldering. I've seen my father do it before, but that is about the extent that I know about soldering. So I think this experience will be really exciting to learn how to do it. Also, especially because I am a computer science major, I work a lot with electronics and computers, so I think that's just a really helpful skill to have with the field that I'm going to be going into. So just generally, it should be really fun and exciting for me to do, and hopefully a new skill that I could add for just things to do either in my spare time or for work related purposes, or just to fix some of the trinkets that I have, because some of them have certainly fallen apart due to just the wear of time. So hope that soldering will be fun. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention is I think my biggest challenge going into this will probably either keeping to it, just because I tend to forget to do things and get distracted with my already existing leisure activities, and then just being careful not to hurt myself. Those are my two main concerns from this, and I just hope if those two things do happen, the takeaway of just learning a new skill that'll be helpful in fixing things and such will just outweigh it.